In this video, I'll show you how to give a user write access to a folder in Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Next, you need to know the name of the folder and the username you want to give access to. Let's say the folder is called Project and the username is User1. Replace these names with your own if they're different. Start by checking the current permissions on the folder. Type ls ld project. This command will show the folder's permissions and ownership. Now, to give write access, there are two common ways. You can either change the owner of the folder or update the folder's permission for that user. To change the owner of the folder to user1, use sudo chown user1 project. This makes user1 the new owner. The user now has full access to the folder. That's it. You've now given write access to a user in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.